Ready to experience gaming on the go with a twist? In today's video, we're exploring the best gaming flip phones for 2025, combining the nostalgic design of a flip phone with cutting-edge gaming technology. These devices are designed to give you the perfect balance of portability, performance, and style, all while packing the punch you need for smooth gaming sessions. Whether you're after a sleek look or powerful specs, we've got you covered. Stick around to see which one of these flip phones will redefine your mobile gaming experience. As always, you can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Honor Magic V3. The Honor Magic V3 brings innovation and a premium experience to the foldable smartphone world. Sporting a 7.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, it provides smooth, responsive touch interactions. The screen offers a vibrant, expansive canvas for users to enjoy media, multitask, and explore apps. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, it ensures powerful performance for both gaming and daily use. Equipped with 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, users can expect seamless multitasking and ample space for content. Its 5000 mAh battery offers long-lasting performance, supporting 66-watt fast charging for a quick power boost. Running on Magic OS, the software experience is smooth and customizable, with a clean and efficient interface. The Honor Magic V3 is priced at approximately $1,799, offering a high-end foldable experience. Its premium build, combined with the powerful specs, positions it as a strong contender in the foldable phone market. With robust features for productivity and entertainment, this device stands out as a top choice for tech enthusiasts. The device's design is sleek yet functional, ensuring that it doesn't sacrifice style for utility. Whether you're using it for gaming, photography, or media consumption, the Honor Magic V3 is a powerhouse that offers it all. Its fast charging capability further enhances the user experience, ensuring minimal downtime. If you're looking for a premium foldable phone with cutting-edge specs, the Magic V3 should be on your radar. Number 4. Nubia Flip 5G. The Nubia Flip 5G is a compact, stylish foldable smartphone that doesn't skimp on performance. It features a 6.8-inch foldable AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, providing fluid visuals and a vibrant experience. The device's compact form factor makes it portable, easily fitting into any pocket or bag. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, it handles apps, gaming, and multitasking with ease. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, users have enough space to store their favorite apps, photos, and videos. The Nubia Flip's 48-megapixel main camera captures stunning photos, while the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens expands your creative possibilities. The 4500 mAh battery provides adequate endurance for a day of regular use, with support for 33-watt fast charging. Whether you're capturing moments or watching content, the Nubia Flip's camera and display work together to offer an excellent experience. Its sleek design and flip form factor allow users to enjoy the nostalgia of a classic flip phone, combined with the modern advantages of foldable technology. The phone runs on Nubia's custom OS, which is based on Android, offering a clean interface and various customization options. At a price point of around $1,199, it offers a premium experience at a more affordable price compared to other foldables. The Nubia Flip 5G offers robust 5G connectivity, ensuring fast internet speeds and smooth streaming. If you value portability without sacrificing performance, this foldable phone might be perfect for you. Number 3. Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus takes the iconic flip phone design and modernizes it with foldable technology. Its 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED display offers a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals with vibrant colors. The foldable design allows users to enjoy a larger screen while maintaining a compact form factor when closed. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, this device offers top-tier performance for gaming, productivity, productivity and multitasking. With 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, users can expect smooth multitasking and ample space for media. The Razr Plus features a 50 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens, providing crisp, detailed shots for both photography enthusiasts and casual users. The 3,800 mAh battery ensures that the phone lasts through the day, and the 30-watt fast charging feature allows users to quickly recharge. Running on Android with near-stock software, the Razr Plus offers a clean and user-friendly interface. At approximately $1,499, it strikes a balance between a nostalgic design and modern technology, appealing to those who want the best of both worlds. The foldable form factor makes the Razr Plus a convenient option for those who want a compact phone with a larger screen. Its camera system provides excellent results in various lighting conditions, making it a strong contender for photography-focused users. If you're looking for a foldable phone with a blend of style and performance, the Motorola Razr Plus is worth considering. Number 2. Oppo Find N3 Flip. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is a standout foldable phone that combines advanced technology with a sleek design. Its 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display offers vibrant colors and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and interactions. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9 2000 processor, the Oppo Find N3 Flip delivers exceptional performance for gaming, multitasking, and streaming. The phone comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, providing ample memory and space for all your needs. The camera setup features a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 32 megapixel telephoto lens, all tuned by Hasselblad for superior image quality. The 4,300 mAh battery ensures that the phone lasts a full day with regular use, and it supports 44-watt fast charging for quick power-ups. Running on Color OS, the phone offers a smooth and highly customizable user experience. The foldable form factor allows for easy portability without sacrificing screen size or performance. The Oppo Find N3 Flip is priced at 328,999 Pakistani rupees, around $1,800 which places it in the premium foldable category. It also features robust 5G connectivity, ensuring high-speed internet and smooth streaming. The phone's compact design makes it easy to carry and handle, making it a great choice for users on the go. Its powerful camera system and versatile performance make it an excellent option for both photography and entertainment. If you're looking for a foldable phone with high-end features and premium build quality, the Oppo Find N3 Flip is a top contender. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the latest iteration of Samsung's foldable smartphone lineup, offering an elegant design and cutting-edge technology. With a 6.7-inch FHD plus AMOLED main display and a 120Hz refresh rate, the phone offers smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and immersive viewing experiences. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, it delivers top-tier performance for both gaming and productivity. The 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabyte storage options ensure that the phone can handle demanding apps and media without any lag. The camera system consists of a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10 megapixel front-facing camera, delivering sharp and detailed photos in various lighting conditions. The 3,700 mAh battery provides all-day usage, and the 25-watt fast charging ensures that users can quickly recharge their device. One UI, Samsung's custom interface based on Android, offers a clean and user-friendly experience with several useful features. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 combines a compact foldable design with high-end performance, making it an excellent choice for users who want both portability and power. Priced from around £1,049, roughly $1,350, it is positioned as a premium foldable smartphone for those who appreciate design and performance. Whether you're using it for work, media, or gaming, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 excels in every area. If you want a foldable device that's both practical and stylish, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is an excellent option.